Hi guys, short tutorial tayo. Itong unit na to, this unit will be hard starting. This is Cbr600rr2004. Then the problem for this, I check everything. This is the ignition coil of this. We have a diode here from the switch. We have a diode. I think this is a 3.9 volt going here from the ECU, and then after that we have fuse also here, and then we're running for this side the battery, and then I refresh already battery. I buy some aftermarket battery because this unit is it's very hard starting. I check everything, also the injector I clean, I put to the ultrasonic, and then all the same problem, hard starting. But now I notice and I check everything. The last option is the starter, electric motor starter here on this side. I try to pull out the electric motor starting, and then I notice this is a very dirty in the side, and then I try to clean. After that I foot vac restore, and then I attempt to start. They will start immediately, and then after that they will second attempt to start, they burn the starting motor. I think due to the alignment of the brush, and then after that I request from aftermarket starting motor. Now the problem is already solved. And then the second problem for this bike, the cooling fan, the cooler, this is not activated, and then the temperature is already 220 up to 230. He did not start the fan, and then I check everything until the color coding of the wire, the fuse I check also, it is okay. The color coding of the wire I check already until I go to the relay. I suspected that the relay is already broken, and then I try to pull out the relay, and then I replace a new relay from the pan here. I replace. After that I attempt to start, and then it is still running, and then it goes to 220 degrees. It already ran the fan. It means that the relay also is broken. That's all, guys. Hope so that we will have any problem that we will solve in case that this unit will have a problem. Thank you, guys.